Today we'll be discussing how to use Viplex software for your LED digital signage. Click Setting icon. Select Wi-Fi option. Turn on Wi-Fi if it's not already. Identify the LED digital signage device you're trying to access by the Wi-Fi ID. Enter the Wi-Fi password and click on the Join button. Note, the Wi-Fi ID and Wi-Fi password can be located on a sticker on the back of the device. Navigate to the Viplex Hangy app and click to launch the app. Click on Devices. Identify the LED digital signage device you're trying to access by the Wi-Fi ID. Click on Solutions Management. New Solution pop-up box will appear. Select Edit to name that file. Click on the Media button at the bottom of the screen. Select the image or video files from the photo video files. Click on the Publish icon at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now hit the Publish button at the bottom. Click on the Go Back to Solutions button at the bottom of the screen. Once the image or videos have been uploaded to your device, click Save and Exit. Click on Playback Control. This allows the user to select between the desired playlists. Click on Screen Management. The control panel displays 17 functions of the LED digital signage device.